Hey everyone, today we are looking at two-step equations. An equation has two sides which are separated by the equal symbol. An equation is like a balanced scale because the two sides must stay the same. To keep it balanced, whatever we do on one side, we will do the same on the other side. Our first example will be 2x minus 5 equals 13. Think of this as a balanced scale. On the left, we will have 2x minus 5, and on the right, we will have 13. Our first goal will be to remove negative 5. Why? We want x on a side by itself, so we will remove the other term using inverse operation. Negative 5 inverse operation would be to plus 5. And anything I do on one side, I'm doing the same on the other side. That means we are left with 2x. Negative 5 plus 5 cancel each other out is equal to 13 plus 5, which would be 18. 2x can be read as 2 multiplied by x. So the inverse would be to divide. If you want x by itself, we need to cancel out our coefficient, which is 2. So 2x will be divided by 2 on the left, and we will do the same thing on the right. It means our answer will be x is equal to 9. We can double check our answer by removing the x from the equation and multiplying by 9. That will give us 18 minus 5, which is equal to 13. That statement is true, or that equation is true, so we know our answer is correct. Our second example will be 2x minus 3 equals 7. Please pause the video and try to do this one by yourselves. Let's double check your answer. So first, the inverse of negative 3 will be plus 3 on the two sides. That will give us 2x is equal to 10. We are dividing by 2 on the two sides. So 10 divided by 2 would be 5, which means x is equal to 5. And then you can double check your answer, which should mean 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. And that statement is also true. Our final problem will be 2x plus 5 equals 17. Please pause the video and try to do this one by yourselves. So again, we will first cancel out plus 5 using inverse operation, which is negative 5 on the two sides. That will leave us with 2x is equal to 12. Then we're dividing by 2 on the two sides, which means x is equal to 6. You can double check your answer by removing x, replacing it with 6. So 2 times 6 will be 12. 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. So yes, that equation is also true. Thank you for watching our video today. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for more helpful videos. Bye.